Meteorologist Ryan Breton joining us now. Ryan, what are you seeing?
Jen, there's still a lot of question marks with this one, but the bottom line hasn't really changed. Still reasonable to expect snow on Saturday. It's probably not a major hit for us, and that's all because of the storm's track, which I wish I could come on this afternoon and say I have all the answers. I don't. The track of the storm still remains unclear, and how close it comes will determine just how much snow we get, whether it's a few to 6 inches or more than a foot. And the timing of it looks like most falls during the day on Saturday. That has not changed. So this is a look at the map tomorrow, Friday evening, I should say, at 6 o'clock. At that point, we are dry. The storm starts to get going off the Carolina coast. Now, where it goes from here is the question. It still could kind of veer away from us, just putting us on the edge of the storm, or it could come up closer, giving us a bigger hit. Either way, I think the snow starts around or after midnight Friday night. So if you have Friday evening plans, you're in good shape. And even at 6 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, notice where the leading edge of the snow is. It's just up in the northwest corner of the state. And it looks like we'll kind of be living on the edge of this storm, which means the very heaviest of the snow would be from eastern Connecticut over toward Cape Cod. That said, there is some suggestion the storm track could be even farther away than this, and that's not something I would write off just yet. So it's not a slam dunk we get a lot of snow, but most suggestions are it'll snow much of the day Saturday, and that snow will pile up. So now that we're just a little more than 2 days out, I think we have to give you some expectation for how much snow will fall, and realize there can be shifting in either direction of these bands. But right now we're thinking between 5 and 10 inches for most of central Connecticut, 2 to 5 inches for western Connecticut farther away from the storm, and closer to the storm, especially New London and Windham counties, 10 inches. And if we get into some of the heavier bands, there could be well over a foot in this part of the state. But again, this is Wednesday afternoon. There could be major shifts between now and Saturday, so please check back for updates. And you can see why. Look at where the edge of the storm may be. Not far away. If this moves by 50 miles, then the heaviest snow would miss us. So if you're a snow lover, that's maybe not what you want to hear, but it's kind of the way things stand on this Wednesday afternoon. Right now it's clear. It is 24 degrees in Hartford. It is cold statewide. We're at 18 in Torrington, 26 in New Haven. We do have some wind. We have some gusts up over 20 miles per hour right now, and the wind chill will remain a factor overnight. Actual air temperatures tonight dip into the single digits. It's a clear, cold night. We'll dip below zero in the coldest spots of western and northern Connecticut. Tomorrow, another nice day. Mostly sunny, chilly and dry. Not quite as much wind tomorrow, still breezy, so a little bit of a wind chill, but not all that bad. Then on Friday, we're up into the 30s. Could be a flurry or snow shower on Friday, well ahead of the storm. And it does look like the storm is centered on Saturday. As I mentioned, unfortunately, there is still uncertainty in its track, but it's reasonable to plan on some snow Saturday. If you don't have to cancel plans yet, I'd give it one more day just to see how things change. But at this point, it looks snowy on Saturday and fine on Sunday. We'll see you again in just a little while.